Mastering the art of uncertainty. Understanding hedge one's response. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, hedge one's response. This might sound a bit complex at first, but don't worry. We're going to break it down together, so you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. Hedge one's response is a phrase that describes a way of answering questions or making statements in a manner that is intentionally non-committal or vague. To hedge means to avoid making a direct or clear statement, usually because you want to keep your options open or avoid taking a firm stance. It's like building a hedge or a barrier around your answer. You're protecting yourself from being too specific. People might hedge their responses for several reasons. Sometimes, it's because they're unsure of their answer and don't want to commit to a statement that might later be proven wrong. Other times, it could be a strategy to avoid conflict or to keep a conversation light and non-confrontational. In professional settings, hedging can be used to maintain flexibility in decision-making or to avoid making promises that cannot be kept. Let's look at some examples to understand how hedging can be used in conversation. 1. It's possible that I'll come to the party, but I can't say for sure. Here, the speaker is avoiding a direct commitment to attending the party. 2. That seems like a good idea, in theory. This response suggests agreement but also implies that there could be practical issues, without specifying what those issues are. 3. I think it might rain tomorrow, but let's wait and see. By saying, I think, and might, the speaker is expressing uncertainty about the weather, avoiding a definitive statement. To hedge your own responses, consider using phrases like, I think, perhaps, maybe, it's possible that, or, as far as I know. These phrases soften your statements, making them less direct and more flexible. However, it's important to use hedging appropriately. Overuse can make you seem indecisive or untrustworthy. And there you have it. Understanding how to hedge one's response is a key skill in navigating both personal and professional conversations with finesse. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing aspect of the English language. Remember, the goal is to communicate effectively, and sometimes, being a little vague can be precisely what's needed. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.